Now let's take a look at question 9 and 10, where we have two similar figures and we are going to use cross products to find the missing value. Now I have already highlighted the figures as shown in the video, and if you need to pause to get your highlighters, go ahead and do that. But I know that the side on the big triangle, 15, corresponds with the side 12 on the small triangle. So I'm going to set up a proportion that states 15 corresponds with 12 the same way that 9 would correspond with x. So there I've set up a proportion. If I put the 15 on top and then 12 on the bottom, the 9 must also go on the top and the x on the bottom. So you do have to be consistent. So 15 corresponds with 12, the same way 9 will correspond to x. So now I can use the cross products. 12 times 9 is 108 equals the cross product of 15 times x. So this proportion is going to help me create our cross products, which is an equation I'm going to solve to find x. So now we're going to divide by 15, and 108 divided by 15 is 7.2. So here I had 108 divided by 15, and we get 7.2 equals x. So this side of the small triangle is 7.2. So let's set up the same idea for number 10. I'm going to use my x first. So x, the bottom of this triangle, corresponds with the bottom of the little triangle. The same way 10 will correspond with 6. You must write this consistently. If x is going to be on top and then the 7, the 10 must be on top for the other side of the proportion. Now let's use cross products. So 7 times 10, which is 70, is equal to the cross product of 6 times x. Now we will divide by 6, and 70 divided by 6, we get 11.6 repeating. So I'm just going to write 11.67 equals x. You could also put 11.7, or you could write, this would be 11 2/3. So you can write this any way or any form you'd like. I would take a rounded decimal if you round correctly, or a simplified fraction.